Hi, welcome back to the channel. Gosh, I can't believe it's already been a month. Many of you remember my last video in which I said, quote, "At that moment, I knew I needed a new machine." Well, like most people, I made a parts list with links and prices of everything I would need. So today, I thought I would share my parts list and explain why I chose what I did. One more thing, if you're new to the PC building realm and you need a quick overview of what we'll be talking about today, click the info card right here. Anyways, back to the video. I'm starting off where most people start, the CPU. I chose an Intel Core i7-10700K for my processor. I'm planning to do a lot of game development, video editing, and general gaming, so I stuck with Team Blue. I'm pairing my processor with the Asus Prime Z490A motherboard. This pair will allow me to do some overclocking and handle almost anything I throw at it. For my GPU, I went with NVIDIA's 30 series graphics card. Why do I say 30 series? Well, at the time of writing, I'm still currently on the EVGA queue system, along with countless other email stock notifications. I know I want a good RTX card, and a card that can handle VR, because like I said before, I plan to do some game development, and hopefully some VR game development as well. For RAM, I went with Corsair's RGB Vengeance Pro 32GB pack. Again, all of these parts have a beefy workstation/gaming PC in mind. For storage, I went with a 250GB M.2 NVMe boot SSD that Windows 10 will sit on. NVMe SSDs are the faster type of the two SSDs, and that's why the operating system will go to that drive. I also have a 2TB non-boot SATA 3 SSD, which will be my mass storage device. All of these components will be sitting inside of a Corsair 4000D mid-tower ATX case. I chose the 4000D for its clean look, white color, and glass side paneling. To wrap it up, I also plan on switching my main video editor from HitFilm Express 5 to Wondershare's Filmora 9. I like how cleaner Filmora is compared to HitFilm, and hopefully it'll allow me to grow in my video editing skills. I didn't include any peripherals or RGB light details in this video. I'm going to wait to tell you that until my next video. Also, some or all these parts are subject to change. We all know how fast stuff changes in the tech world. One more thing, I'm planning for April's video to be my PC build, yet there is a good chance that I'll have to wait until May. The graphics card shortage we're having right now is intense, and it's very hard to get a card right now. Also, I apologize for the shorter video this month. My workflow has been a bit interrupted due to some personal matters. Anyways, that's going to do it for today. It's Joey G, and I'll see you next month.